very often a patient comes in who's got an exacerbation of their asthma or COPD, chest infection. When a doctor comes to see them, they may think, right, there is a possibility of flu. Obviously, if you need to isolate them patients, it can be difficult if we haven't got the cubicles or the side rooms in place. So we have to send flu swabs off, wait for approximately 24 hours until the flu swabs come back. But in the interim, we have to shut a bay down until the flu results are back. If they come back positive, then ultimately then we have to treat all the vulnerable patients in that bay with Tamiflu.
It's quite time consuming, isn't it? Because if we've got patients who need isolation and, you know, high risk flu, we then have to take extra precautions. It's an airborne virus, so then masks, the cost, it's got lots of implications. You know, if we've got 4 cubes, query flu, the time, the cost, everything, you know, it has a huge impact, doesn't it? The care we provide in.
Of course, and it prevents patients from being discharged home. If they are in care homes or residential homes, if the flu swab comes back positive for this one particular patient that has been cohorted with them, obviously we can't discharge those patients back because then they are high risk to the patients at their residential placements. So then they're occupying beds which don't need to be occupied, which has a knock-on effect for the whole hospital.
When they say, if you know when you've had flu, when you nurse somebody who's really got a serious case of flu, it's true. You know, these people actually are immobile, they're very, very unwell, aren't they?
Oh yeah, very poorly. I try and encourage all members of staff to have the flu jab. It's not just to protect themselves, but it's to protect patients, their own family members, children, members of the public. Anyone can come down with flu. It has no sort of barriers because it can affect anybody. And you know, it's just looking after yourselves and looking after everybody else as well.
And as far as the public is concerned, we would recommend that they have the immunisation against the flu and good hygiene, hand washing.
If you sneeze,
into your elbow.
Anything to try and prevent the infection. Do not come into
stay
hospital
at home
if you can.
Yeah.
Obviously, if you're very unwell, you obviously need to have medical attention, but if you can stay home, that would be the best case for you.
And keep hydrated.